Good morning, children. Let us start our class with a silent prayer. Okay, children. In our last class, we discussed multiplication of decimal numbers, such as multiplication of a decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Multiplication of a decimal number by a whole number, and also multiplication of a decimal number by another decimal number. In this class, we are going to discuss about division of decimal numbers. So, division of the decimal numbers. Division of decimal number. Consider an example. 0.5 divided by 10. Here we have to check how to divide 0.5 by 10. In this case, we can move the decimal point in the decimal number to the left by as many places as there are zeros over by 1. So, here in tens only 1 0. We want to move this decimal point to the left by 1 place. Then here we get 0.05. In 10 there is only 1 0. Because of that we can move the decimal point to the left by 1 place. Another example, 0.5 divided by 100. Here also we can move the decimal point to the left. In this case, 100 has 2 zeros. So, move the decimal point to the left by 2 places, decimal places. Then we get 0.005. Another example is 0.5 divided by 1000. Here to divide 0.5 by 1000. Then here in 1000, how many zeros are there? Yes, there are 3 zeros. So move the decimal point to the left by 3 places, 3 decimal places. Then we get 0.0005. Then we get your answer 0.0005. That means here when we divide a decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, move the decimal point in the decimal number to the left as many places as there are over 1. Next is division of a decimal number by a whole number. Division of a decimal number by a whole number or natural number, we can say. Consider an example. 2.4 divided by 2. Here 2.4 is a decimal number, 2 is a natural or whole number. We have to check how to do it. First of all, want to treat this decimal number as whole number, then we get 24, that is 24. Treat this given decimal number as whole number. We get 24 divided by 2. First we have to check 24 divided by 2. Now what we will get after the division? Into 1 time, then in 4 the 2 times, then we will get 12 is the quotient. Then want to put the decimal point in the quotient as in the decimal number. Here in the decimal number there is only 1 decimal place. Then from right, here we can take 1 decimal place, we will get 1.2. First of all, want to treat the given decimal number as a whole number and divide it. Put decimal point in the quotient as in the given decimal number. Next is division of a decimal number by another decimal number. Division of a decimal number by another decimal number. Consider an example. 2.4 divided by 0.2. Here the question is 2.4 divided by 0.2. Divisor is also a decimal number. Then first of all you have to write like this: 2.4 divided by 0.2. Here divisor also a decimal number. In this case, first of all, change the divisor into whole number. For that, want to multiply this divisor by 10, 100, 1000, etc. as per the number of decimal places in that divisor. Here, after the decimal point, there is only one decimal place. So, to change it into whole number, want to multiply this divisor by 10. That already we discussed in case of multiplication of a decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Then the same time want to multiply the numerator also by this 10. Otherwise its value will be changed. So want to multiply like this, and what we get here? 2.4 into 10. Yes, we get 24 divided by, what we get here? 2. That is equal to 12. Now we have to check some more examples. The first question here, 4.8 divided by 10. Want to divide 4.8 by 10. Then we already discussed a decimal number divided by 10. Want to move the decimal point to the left as many places as there are zeros over 1. Then here also want to take the decimal point and move to left. Here in 10 only 1 0. Then move the decimal point to the left by 1 place, 1 decimal place. Then we will get here 0.48. The next problem is 65.4 divided by 6. Here a decimal number by whole number. What we did here? Yes, first of all we treat or we take the decimal number as whole number. Then we can take 654 divided by 6. Okay, then divide 654 by 6. In 6 one time, 0, then 5, in 5 0 times, then 54 in 54, 9 times. Then here we get the quotient as 109. Here, after division, want to take the decimal point and put in the quotient as in the decimal number. Then what you get here? Yes, here only one decimal place. Then so we can take here also. We can take one decimal place. The answer is 10.9. 10.9. Okay, the next problem. Here given a decimal number by another decimal number. In this case, first of all, you want to change the divisor into whole number. For that, want to multiply the divisor by 10, 100, 1000, etc. according to or as per the number of decimal places. Here in 0.5 there is only one decimal place. So want to multiply this divisor by 10 to get whole number. At the same time you want to multiply the numerator also. Forward we did like this. Yes, otherwise its value will be changed. Then here we get. Then when we multiply a decimal number by 10, move to right. Decimal point move to right. Then we get 32.5 divided by 5. Here we get a decimal number. Here we get the form of decimal number by whole number. Again we treat this decimal number as whole number, that is 325 divided by 5. Then here we get in 3, not possible, then in 32, 6 times 30. Then write down 25 here in 25, 5 times. We get the answer is 65. After that, put the decimal point as in the quotient, as in the decimal number. Here only one decimal place. Then we have to put a comma by one decimal place. The answer is 6.5. I hope you all clear this division of a decimal number by 10, 100,000 and decimal number by a whole number and also decimal number by another decimal number. Next is word problems on fractions and decimals. Here we are going to discuss word problems. Then when we get a problem for solving, first of all, in case of word problems, what are the things we want to take? Yes, first of all, we want to read the question and understand its meaning, isn't it? We want to find its meaning, what is given. Next, we have to write some steps according to the question. For that, first of all, we have to take what are the things given. The next, what we want to find. Then the last one step is what want to do for finding. Okay, then what are the steps we want to find? What are the things given in the question? Then what we want to find. For finding what we want to do. That means which operation we want to do here for getting the answer. These are the steps. Then these questions we have to convert it into statement. We will get steps. Then here the first question. Samira purchased 3 1/2 kilogram apples and 4 3/4 kilogram oranges. What is the total weight of fruit purchased by her? Want to read the question thoroughly. Then from this question we can find what are the things given. Here what are the things given? Yes, here given weight of apples and weight of oranges. Then we want to write first the given things. Weight of apples purchased by Samira. Weight of apples, that is 3 1/2 kilogram. Here 3 1/2 is a mixed fraction. So convert it into improper. Then what we get here? Yes, 3 into 2 plus 1. 3 into 2 plus 1. Here like this, 3 into 2 plus 1/2. That is equal to 3 2s are 6 plus 1. 7/2 kilogram. Next is weight of which one? Oranges. Weight of oranges is equal to what is given here? 4 3/4 kilograms. This also convert it into proper. Then 4 into 4 plus 3/2. 4 is equal to 4 4s are 16 plus 3 19/4 kilogram. Next, what want to find? Want to find what is the total weight of fruit. Yes, we want to find total weight of fruit. Therefore, total weight of fruit purchased by Samira, that is equal to, for finding total weight, what want to do? Yes, total. Then want to add here we can write 7 by 2 kilogram plus 19 by 4 kilogram. That is equal to, that we already discussed, the addition of unlike fractions. Here given unlike fraction, then how to divide. Yes, two methods we discussed. Sorry, how to add. Yes, two methods we discussed here. What are they? LCM method or cross multiplication. Then here it is better to take LCM because the two denominators has which one? The common factor. Two denominators have the common factor. So LCM method is easy. Then we want to take LCM of 2 and 4 here into 1, 2 again 2, 1, 1. Then LCM is equal to 2 into 2, 4. LCM is equal to 4. Then here the divisor is 2 in the first fraction. The denominator is 2. Convert this 2 into which one? LCM. Then want to do multiply by 2. Numerator and denominator multiplied by 2. Then what we get here? 7 2s are 14 by 4 plus 19 by 4. Now we get like fractions. Then simply we can add the numerators. Then what we get after adding? So it's 33 by 4. So then 33 by 4. Here we get improper fraction. Then question given in mixed fraction. So convert it into mixed. What we get here? Then want to convert 33 divided by 4. Then in 33, how many times? 7. Sorry, 8 we can take. So next, 8 4s are 32. Then we get 8 quotient. Remainder by divisor, that is 8 1 by 4 kilogram. Here total weight we get 8 1 by 4 kilogram. Next problem is Ramesh solved 2 by 7 part of an exercise while Seema solved 4 by 5 of it. Who solved lesser part? Here who solved lesser part? We want to find the lesser part by Ramesh or Seema, that we have to find. Then want to, for getting lesser or greater, want to compare the given two things. Here we want to compare these two things. First of all, we can write the steps. Here what are the things given? Yes, the first one is part of an exercise solved by Ramesh. We can write part of an exercise solved by Ramesh. That is equal to 2 by 7. The next one is part of an exercise solved by Seema, that is equal to 4 by 5. Next we have to find who solved lesser part. For that we want to compare these two given things. Then how can we compare? Yes, comparison also we have to do by LCM method or by cross product method. First of all we have to check LCM method. First of all, want to compare 2 by 7 and 4 by 5. Then here the given fractions are unlike, so we have to make it like. For that want to find LCM. Here LCM is 7 into 5, 35. Then for changing this divisor into LCM, want to multiply numerator and denominator by 5. Here want to multiply the numerator and denominator by 7. And what you get here? 10 by 35, then 28 by 35. Now we get like fractions. In this case, for comparing these two like fractions, just we have to compare the numerators. Which numerator is lesser, that fraction considered as the lesser part. Then here 10 by 35 is the lesser part. Then here which one? Yes, the first thing, or Ramesh solved lesser part than C. This is LCM method. Here Ramesh solved lesser part. Here we compare the given two things, we get lesser part. Ramesh solved lesser part. This is by LCM method. And then method also here, the same thing we have to compare by using cross product. How can we do? Just we have to take. Okay, any method you can use according to your convenience. Then here, how to, just I show how to do this one. 2 by 7, 4 by 5. We want to compare these two fractions, isn't it? First of all, we can take cross product. Cross product means the numerator of the first fraction into denominator of the second fraction, we will get 10. Same time, same way, want to take denominator of the first fraction into numerator of the second fraction, we will get 28. Here which one is less? The amount or less number? Yes, 10 is smaller than 28. Here 10 we get multiplying the first fraction's numerator by the denominator of the second fraction. So we can take 2 by 7 is the smallest fraction than 4 by 5. That means Ramesh solved lesser part. Here we can use any method. Okay, you can take any method, LCM or cross product according to your convenience. Next problem is a car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 3 by 4 liters of petrol? Here given the distance travelled by a car in 1 liter of petrol, we want to find the distance travelled by a car in 3 by 4 liters. From the question we find out, want to do which one? Multiplication, isn't it? First of all, we have to write the steps. Then how can we write the steps here? Yes, that means distance travelled by a car in 1 liter of petrol, that is equal to which one? 16 kilometer. Next, what want to find here? 1 liter of petrol, car travelled in 16 kilometer distance, and then you want to find distance travelled by a car in 3 by 4 liters of petrol. For finding this, what want to do? Multiply. Want to multiply 16 kilometer by 3 by 4. Here 3 by 4 is a mixed fraction. So convert it into improper. We will get 16 into. How can we convert? 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8 plus 3 11 by of a whole number by a fraction. Just you want to multiply the numerator 16 into 11. You want to do 16 into 11. What you get here? 6, 1, here also 6, 1. Then 176 by 4. 176 by 4 we will get. And what we get here? 176 by 4. 4 times 16, then again 4, we will get 44. Whole number we will get, isn't it? 44 kilometer. 44 kilometer. Next is the side of an equilateral triangle is 3.5 centimeter. Find its perimeter. Here given the problem on decimal. Okay, what is given here? Equilateral triangle. We all know that equilateral triangle. Students, you already studied equilateral triangle. Then what is the particularity of an equilateral triangle? Yes, all the three sides are equal. Then here sides are equal, isn't it? A is a side. Side A. Then all the three sides are equal in a equilateral triangle. Then you already discussed in your 6th standard perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Then perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3 into side. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3 into side. Then in this problem, what is given? Yes, side of an equilateral triangle. First of all, we have to write the step. Side of an equilateral triangle. Side of an equilateral triangle is equal to 3.5 centimeter. One side given. Want to find its perimeter. For finding perimeter, we can use its formula. What is that? 3 into side. Here, side given, isn't it? Just apply that. 3 into 3.5 centimeter. That is equal to here. Multiply a decimal number by a whole number or a whole number by a decimal number. Then how to multiply? Yes, want to multiply the numbers. First of all, 3.5 taken as a whole number. Then multiply this number by 3. Then what we get here? 5 3s are 15. 3 3s are 9 plus 1. 10. The answer is, the product is 105. Here, want to put the decimal point in the product as in the decimal number. Here after the decimal point, there is only one decimal place. Then here also we get one decimal place. We can put one decimal place. Point. Then what we get here? 10.5 centimeter. Next is, a car covers a distance of 89.1 kilometer in 2.2 hours. What is the average distance covered by H in 1 hour? Here, given the distance covered by a car, then also the time required to cover the distance. Then what want to find here? Want to find the distance covered by a car in 1 hour. For that, want to do division. Now first of all, we have to write the steps. How can we write the steps here? Yes, distance traveled by or covered by a car, that is equal to 89.1 kilometer. Next, time given here, isn't it? And time required that is equal to 2.2 hours. So, want to find distance covered by a car in 1 hour is equal to, want to divide 89.1 divided by 2.2. Here a decimal number by another decimal number. In this case, what want to do? Yes, here 89.1 divided by 2.2. Divide 891 by 22. You want to consider 89. In 89, 4 times 22 into 4, 88. Then 11. In 11 it is not possible. Then want to put here 0. Then what we get here? Here also point 0. Then after doing 110 5 times. That is 40.5 kilometer. 40.5 kilometer. The car covered the distance 40.5 kilometer. I think all of you clear the division, isn't it? Here what we did in 89, 4 times 88, then 1 also write down, then 11 it is not possible, 0 we have to take, then point, then after that one more 0 we can insert here, then after that in 110 5 times, then we get 40.5 kilometer. Children, in this class we discussed division of a decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Division of a decimal number by a whole number and division of a decimal number by another decimal number. And also we discussed word problems on fractions and decimals. I hope you all got it well. Okay children, see you on next session. Thank you.